Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. So if right click menu is working slow in Windows 11, in this video let's fix this. The first method you can try is disable startup apps. For this you have to press Control key, Shift key and Skip key. Press all the three keys together, so this will open Task Manager like this. Now on the left side click on Startup Apps. So these are the startup applications I have. So you have to disable the unnecessary startup applications. For this you have to right click on it, then click on disable. That's it. Cut this window, restart your system and check. The next method you can try is clear file explorer history. For this you have to double click on this PC. After that you have to click on these three dots, then click on options. Now here you will see this option clear file explorer history. So click on this option clear, then click on OK, then cut this window and check. The next method you can try is restart Windows Explorer. For this you have to again press Control key, Shift key and Skip key. So press Control key, Shift key and Skip key together. After that in this process tab you have to restart Windows Explorer. So right click on Windows Explorer, then click on restart. So you have to restart Windows Explorer, cut this window and then check. The next method you can try is disable visual effects. For this you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. On the left side click on accessibility. After that on the right side click on this option visual effects. After that you have to disable this transparency effects and then disable this animation effects. That's it. Cut this window and check. The next method you can try is repair system files. For this you have to open command prompt. So click on this search box and then type command prompt. You will get this kind of option. Right click on command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Now here you have to type a few commands to repair system files. So the first command will be, type this command carefully, then press enter, and this command will take around 5 to 10 minutes to complete. After completing this command, type the next command, and this command will also take 10 to 15 minutes to complete. After completing both the commands, cut this window and then restart your system. So these are the few methods you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.